Hey everyone, Random here. I'm sure you can probably notice this is not gonna be the typical style of videos, with fighting and stuff. Maybe I'll post some fight clips at the end, but this is a video of me showing how I do my build process. Cause this I will be making a Hexbug free shipping, not the vertical spinner. Cause I'm gonna be honest, I've never been too big of a fan of that one, so I'll be making the lifter free shipping from Season 6. This is pretty doable with a Bronco. It has the wide base, the lifter, which will be a flipper, but, it's whatever. It will not have the flamethrower, because I will not burn my house down. And, yeah, this is just the intro. Right after this, we will get to the modeling part. So, I decided not to show the entire modeling process because that would have taken forever. But this is every modeled part we have. Here's better look at them. Of course, we got the lifter with, the modified back pan or modified I cannot speak. The things to go into the flipper. There you go. I'll learn how to speak someday. Thank you to Icebreaker Robotics for making the... I used his Lucky Bronco rep for this. So that's how I got most of the scaling properly. We got this little block. The block is what goes in between the wheels. I don't know why they have them. These are decoy mounts. I mean, that's what free shipping's actual mounts look like, but they will not be using these. This is their wedge. They will have more of these printed. And as you can see, it's got the little hole in it where a paper clip will go, and these are the mounts. So overall, I'm very happy. I would say this took me about 40 minutes to get it all properly done and scaled. I don't know how well this will work. I don't know. Maybe I could have scaled these parts all wrong and I'll have to completely redo it, which would be really annoying. That would be a massive shame. But I'm very happy with how these look. They look very accurate to the real free shipping, so now we will actually get to printing them. Here it is, printing. Unfortunately, I can't hear. Hold on, let me see if I can get a better view. Yeah, that's a much better view. Maybe. I don't know. But yeah, we have the lifter printing right now. It's gonna take about 35 more minutes and then we'll be done. Just gotta get all the supports in there. I think I set it to like 70% infill, so it should be durable and pretty hefty. So hopefully the next clip should be all of the parts complete. So yep, just a quick little update. Okay, so just thought I would throw this little bit in this video. So actually that lifter that you saw printing was not the right one. This is the new one. Unfortunately, I'll see if I can pull up a picture in a bit. But as you can probably tell, the lifter was not fully scaled. So I made this new version to where it will perfectly fit the Bronco base. And the forks will indeed go to the ground. I will definitely have to sand these, because let's be honest, those are not getting under anything. They wouldn't get under huge. But yeah, everything is going well. Next clip should be everything getting ready to paint. So every part is printed now. As you can see, this is the basic layout of what it'll look like. I love how this turned out. Doesn't look exactly like the real thing, but let's be honest, we weren't expecting it to. It looks good for what it is, and I think it'll be very fun. So next clip should be it fully painted, drying, and then we should be done after that. It has been painted. As you can see, I have added all the sponsor logos on there. Of course, they're unfortunately poorly written, but it's hard to write with paint. Unfortunately, it is already kind of falling apart, because in some testing I did have to re-glue the forks a bit. We'll see if it focuses. Yeah, maybe you can see I had to re-glue the forks a bit, but overall, I'm very, very happy with this. I'm in love with how this looks, and I think it'll do all right. I mean, Komodo Dragon's really good. This is definitely not as good as Komodo Dragon, but they're no slouch. Next clip will probably be it'll be some testing, and then we'll end the video. Oh, that's a problem. Yeah, I have to fix that, but other than that, it works. Yeah, with that we're kind of done. I'll repair those forks, but other than that, we're in good shape. I expected the lifter to break, but that's fun. As for self-righting, yeah, it can self-right. So, I believe we are done. Except you don't have to fix it, but whatever. It looks good, it looks great, and it's not gonna dominate. I tried to rhyme, but it failed as always. Anyway, thank y'all for watching my new build blog. This is kind of a new thing. Let me know if I should do more of these. And yeah, we'll see you later, maybe.